Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Wilson He, Managing Director at OCBC Securities. He joins me to discuss challenges and opportunities in the brokerage industry in the next few years and observations of Singapore investors who trade in the U.S. stock market. Wilson, it is great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Yeah, good morning, Jill.
Tell us about OCBC Securities.
OCBC Securities, it is one of the leading brokerage firm in Singapore. So we provide the online access across the global exchanges. We cover more than 30 global exchanges. So OCBC Securities also a wholly owned subsidiary for OCBC Bank, which is well known for reliability and one of the safest bank in the world. So customer we service and not only on the retail segments, also financial institutions and corporates. And in terms of the product, we offer equities, leverage FX, and global futures as well.
And being awarded by Asia Money as the best securities house in Singapore last year, can you share with us the brokerage's growth and how you're supporting local retail investors over the year?
Yep. Recognized by Asia Money as the best security house in Singapore, we're honored to receive the award, and it also underscores our dedication to deliver exceptional services to our customers. And there's two fronts, and we really did very well for our customer in the past few years. One, it is the platform enhancements. In terms of the platform, we invest a lot on the digitalization and digital transformation. We also recognized by Global Banking and Finance as the best trading platforms and most innovative trading platforms for the past 3 consecutive years. So we integrated our advanced technologies and AI-powered tools and to help our investor to make a better investment decisions. On the second part, we also continue on our product innovation. We noticed for the younger investors and how they tap into the equities market, it is through the ETF. With our asset managers, we also co-branded our ETF. We launched actually 4 ETF in Singapore. We cover the themes like technology, China leader industry, and Singapore low carbon footprints, and as well as Asia Pacific financial institution, which give very high yield dividends.
What are the challenges and opportunities of the brokerage industry in the next few years, and how does that fit into OCBC's growth strategy?
Mainly, we see the challenges. You see Singapore, it is very open markets. When we see it is the race to zero, as is well known in the broking industry in the US. But in Singapore, we also have a lot of fintech competitors coming. They are driving the interest really for the younger investors. We understand for the younger investors, they demand transparency, digital access, and the services and relatively lower cost. In contrast, our traditional customer base, which is value more trust, human touch, that kind of relationships, and complemented by our current digital offering. So what we see the opportunity is how we are able to integrate our services. We continue to enhance our platform to provide the personalized services to service the digital, the millennials, right, the younger investors, and provide the education to them. The second challenges and what we see it is we are one of the bank-backed brokerage house in Singapore, and we not only service the traders, we also service the investors. They view equity as part of the wealth management assets. So the banking and trading and integrated in one places, it is really they're looking forward to the seamless and trading experience and from them. So what we plan to do, and we already done so, is we integrated our trading piece in the OCBC digital app. So today, my customer can apply, subscribe to trading accounts and trade on the goes, and not only on our trading platforms, OCBC, is also on the banking platforms, OCBC Digital. We continue to conduct the research with our customers' experience and credit to continue to enhance how to make the trading and banking right seamlessly integrated. We will focus more on the portfolios and how we're able to update the customer portfolios to educate them right, to provide the real-time market information, how the portfolios, and as part of the wealth management tools to our investors.
OCBC has recently introduced its AI Oscar, which enables users to access the U.S. trading market with the help of artificial intelligence. Can you tell us more about this?
Okay, AI Oscar standing for OCBC Securities Customer Artificial Intelligence Radar. It is developed in-house by OCBC, our data office, AI labs, and our OCBC trading strategies. So the creation of AI Oscar, it is really aligned with our corporate strategies, how we are able to accelerate our transformation and digitalization as a key pillars. When we noticed in last year, 2023, more than 97% on our investors and below age of 35, they are trading mainly through digital ways. And how we're able to develop the AI Oscar to help them to find the relevant stocks, and that is very important. So there are two features in AI Oscar. One, it is a self-learning capabilities. They crunch decades of information, fundamental, technical, market sentiments. They integrate it as a data set. It is not a rule-based engine. It is more on the predictive model, able to identify the stocks and really going to have the stock movements. So we highlight these stocks and to the customer. On the other hand, the personalization, it is also key. For example, the customer interact with the platforms. We know your trading patterns, your demographics, and your risk preferences. We're able to push the personalized stock ideas on a weekly. So today, we provide 15 ideas and cover Singapore, Hong Kong, and US market on a weekly basis to our customers by AI Oscar.
Wilson, tell us about your collaboration with Nasdaq. Why did you choose Nasdaq to be your partner in bringing real-time market data to investors?
Okay, for the really the active trader, we know, right? The market data, the provide the live code is really the lifeblood for them to really make the informed decision and provide the risk management tools to them. So we trust Nasdaq, which is provide the highest standard for the accuracy and reliability in terms of the market data. Right? On the other hand, the collaboration with Nasdaq, it is go beyond market data, I would say. We are also look into the financial literacies to continue to partner with Nasdaq to provide educational program to bring the closer to the US markets to them. For example, we are hosting the speakers from Nasdaq in the coming months. They talk about AI, talk about technology, talk about ESG topics, and really the bridge the understanding between the gaps and between US and Singapore investors. And we also like the Nasdaq provide the content, right? Provide really more information, right? To help our investor to make a better and informed decisions.
And finally, what are some of the trends and insights that you have observed from Singapore investors who trade in the US market? Do you have any interesting facts to share with us?
From Singapore investors' perspective, and we see, first of all, the technology stocks and the AI-related stocks, and really it is their top choices in the past 1 year. We noticed, for example, the Magnificent Seven, we see about 3 times trading values increase, same years and 2024 compared to 2023. And another stocks and AI-related, NVIDIA, the trading activities increased in 10 times in the same periods. And on the other hand, we also observe, although we are the local brokerage, customer trade Singapore stocks, and we observe that more than 50% of our new customers also trading the US stocks. And with our collaboration with Nasdaq, continue to provide the financial literacies to our younger investor, and as well as our AI Oscar continue to give more informed and personalized and stock idea on the US markets. And we see this trend is going. Yeah, we expect more and more investors coming to OCBC Securities to trading on the US stocks.
Wilson, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Yeah, thank you, Jill.